Okay, go ahead.
Hi, good evening to everyone. I'm Kavitha. Every day we are going by road, right? Road is made up with the car, and every day we are traveling by bus or car or motorcycle. But for that we require a diesel. Where we are getting diesel and tar and walls, polishing all the stuff from crude oil. From crude oil. Crude oil is, are we getting directly from crude oil? We need to do some process to get the pure diesel and pure tar or some oils. That is the process, the distillation. Today I am going to talk about the distillation process. Distillation is the separating the mixture of volatiles in the liquid mixers. It's a physical separation, not chemical process. And from crude oil, so many fractions are there. By heating, we get so many fractions like tar and naphtha, kerosene, and polish oils. That's called fractional distillation. And we get the oxygen, nitrogen by doing cryogenic distillation also. And when we do the fermentation beverages, we need pure alcohol sometimes to do the beverages, food items. That is also done by the distillation process. The alcohol is ethanol, it is present in the food items. They do enzymatic process, after that they do the distillation. Then going to the next, general distillation in the laboratory setup. How it works actually. First, coming from the left side, we can take some mixture of this liquids or whatever it in the flask, and heating burner is on the term. And when we heat it different temperatures, it will cool down to the condenser. This condenser is useful for cooling the vapors. It has a water inlet and outlet. Then vapors will come down and it will become liquid, and the flask will collect the solvent. By thermometer, we can check the temperature with the different temperature, different liquids. We can monitor, we can work. Then we can collect the pure solvent. This is general distillation process. Now next I am going to talk crude oil distillation. Crude oil is coming from the earth ground. How they will do? First, by drilling they do by drilling machine to get the crude oil. You can see the picture right side, and coming to the, and they will pump them up. They will do by pumping machine. Once you get the crude oil, how do we need to? It has the, how do we need to distill? That crude oil is made up with the hydrocarbons. That means hydrogen and carbon mixture. Everyone knows basic, I think, hydrocarbons. And this crude oil broadly separated into the so many fractions from lower carbon number C1 to C30, like that. So lowest carbon number is lower boiling points, highest carbon number is highest boiling points. And once you heat that different temperatures, different oils will come out. Next, going to the picture, you can see that this is crude oil, real. It has so many solids and mixture of that. Then how we will get the pure petroleum or tar that I'm going to. Next, crude oil distillation. This is an animated picture. These are different temperatures we will get. Actually, first we will take the crude oil into the tank or what a small container. Then we will wash with the water first, because to take it out the water. Then after that they put it to the heating burner. And then after heating, first they will start with the lower temperatures. This is the distillation column. Just animated picture because I cannot give the picture clearly in it, which they are using. It's like a distillation column. First lower temperature, petroleum gas will come less than 40 degrees. That is C1 to C5 carbons. And after that, once they collect the petroleum gas, then they go for the highest temperature, that is gasoline, C4 to C12 carbon. Next, kerosene, 200 and 250 degrees centigrade. And next heating oil C15 to C18. Next lubricating oil. The fractions temperature wise they will collect. Then this whole method is like which I said general setup like condenser, cooling condenser. They will also have the after column cooling condenser, and after that they collect the liquids one by one. And the remaining after above C25 and above, that is tar or so residue, can use it for plastics and next. You can see that which copper number is useful for the which I'm giving that. C1 is the petroleum gas cylinder, you can see. C5 to C9 is the chemicals we are using for diesel. For aeroplanes we use C10 to C16. Diesel fuels are useful for the C15 to in this way they go by fractions wise with the different temperatures. Next steps, first they take the crude oil and they wash with the water. Then after that they desaltify. Then they are putting in the heating burner. And next go to the heating burner they will put into the distillation column. Once they are separating by heating, it will cool the vapors. Slowly they will collect that temperatures wise one by one liquids. Finally we will get the pure petroleum or kerosene or naphtha, different oils. You can see that pure gas. Before that we have seen crude oil with so many mixed white solid. Now once the temperature they set up, they collected the pure gas. This is a real setup in industry bulk quantities, how they are doing crude oil distillation. You can see that these are heating furnaces they call. Industries like that. That's why I cannot be separately show the instrumentation clearly. And like this way they do crude oil distillation. Yeah, this distillation is very useful for the industry for refining the oil and desalination water and some chemical products also, chemical solvents. So many solvents we are using every day in the chemistry labs. Those chemicals also we use the distillation process. And different oils, gasoline, diesel, by using this process only. And some crude oil byproducts also useful for the making waxes and plastics.